Hey, what's up? It's Sav, and in this video, we are going to be looking at done for you sales funnels or free sales funnel templates that I will be giving away for free. Now, these funnels were made with ClickFunnels, and it is a very good application to actually drag and drop and create very high converting funnels. And I'm giving away these for free. Now, originally, some of these were created by a internet marketer, Franklin Hatchett. And so I took a lot of kind of what he created and I changed it up, which to optimize it to make my campaigns run better. And I've kind of repackaged it and I want to throw it back at you guys so that you guys can benefit from it. So the first one is a quiz page. Yep, I'm giving away a quiz page. So again, this was first developed by Franklin Hatchett and is part of ClickFunnels. So pretty much why a quiz page, you're probably wondering, right? Well, here's the thing about a quiz page. Quiz page is when somebody enters your funnel, right? They're going to look at a quiz page and they're going to be like, oh, okay, I'm going to, fill out this quiz page. It's usually a bridge page between whatever your actual offer is or your opt-in page. Okay. And the thing with the quiz page is once someone starts making sort of like these micro commitments, right? They start making these micro commitments. What ends up happening is by the time they're done making these commitments, like, okay, how much want to do, blah, 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 blah. By the end of it, what you can say is you can throw them to an affiliate page, kind of like this. Or after they're done doing these micro commitments, what you can say is you can say, all right, if you want these results from the quiz, then we will send you the results through your email. And so you have to put your email in through an opt-in form. Okay. And then that's how you can kind of get leads. And quizzes are very clever ways of doing that because the person is already committed to answering like 7, 8 questions. Ideally, people say you should try to hit for 3. And so, your chances are they're probably going to put in their email. And on top of that, you can use a quiz page as an advertising unit, like a free kind of gift. And you can say free quiz to learn your body toxicity score or whatever in this case. It's a quiz page. Great. That's the first thing I'm giving. Cool. The second thing, again, Franklin Hatchett, is a free 4-day trainings. And it pretty much says how to start your own successful online business. Pretty much with this one is when you click download now, it's going to pop up an opt-in form. And then you can just put in your email. Now, if you're looking at this opt-in form and you're thinking, okay, but what? Like this? The thing is opt-in forms like this actually usually perform the best. Just these sort of plain ones, which not too much distractions, right? With the kind of headline like free this and then whatever it is that you're offering, and then just kind of 100% free whatever. And then just like a simple button. So this could be claim your spot now or whatever. In this case, it's just download now because a free ebook is being offered on this template. So if you click on download now, you get this opt-in email over here. Now what's cool about this opt-in page is I've personally managed to get 70 to 80% conversion rate. At minimum, you can expect to get 60% conversion rate. And usually people get like 30-40% conversion rate on opt-in emails. So this is a kind of great system for that. So that's awesome. Now we're going to move on to the third and final sales funnel that I will be giving away, which is an e-commerce page. Yep. So this e-commerce single product page funnel that you can use for drop shipping or shipping your products. Maybe you found a winning product, you want to test it out through a funnel. This is the funnel that you want to use. Okay. So you get a nice big headline, get 25%. You can change all of this text, a call to action, a little image over here. You can add a video of your product over here. You have the scarcity idea. You can provide headlines, maybe bonus stacking, or just features. And then again, another call to action with the discount and then an FAQ. The way that this is designed is so that you can optimally get great conversions. So the next thing is once you click this get your 25% off, you actually come to this checkout page. And on this checkout page, you pretty much put in your contact, shipping, credit card, all that sort of stuff. You can change this warranty. This is called a bump order, which you can kind of just change, to whatever that you like. Anything could be edited. Here you have a scarcity, all of that. Next thing is, let's say I put in my credit card information, put all that, and I say, yes, send my charger now. The next step in the funnel is an upsell. An upsell is great for when you're selling or drop shipping products that help and complement the initial product that you were selling on your front end. So this is just a simple upsell. Wait, your order is not complete. Get this, blah, 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 blah. Some features. No thanks, do not claim. Okay. Then if you say no thanks, do not claim, the next page, you can go over to the next page. And again, you can edit, you can remove pages. It's not something that you have to work towards, and then boom, you hit your downsell page, right? Or a downsell upsell. You can have two upsells, one downsell, one upsell. That's it, right? You can just however you want it, but this is the upsell or downsell page. And again, another product you can throw in there. Give an insane deal. Yes, add my product, and you can make a lot of money that way through upsells. And the final process is the thank you page, which again, you can edit this any way you want. And on the thank you page, you can say, all right, we're going to be giving you your product in this many hours, or, you're going to get your tracking information through this email, blah, 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 blah. So these are the 3 done for you sales funnels, and I hope you find great success with them.